Are you one of the millions of people who feel trapped in their financial situation, unable to escape the cycle of debt and financial stress? If so, this video is for you. We'll reveal the top money traps to avoid in 2025 and provide you with practical advice on how to break free. To stay up to date with the latest financial insights and strategies, be sure to subscribe to our channel now. When it comes to managing our finances, it's easy to get caught up in bad habits and assumptions that can lead to financial ruin. From overspending to investing in the wrong assets, there are countless money traps that can keep you from achieving your financial goals. But the good news is that by being aware of these traps and taking steps to avoid them, you can take control of your finances and start building a brighter financial future. To help you with your wealth construction and avoid some money traps, I have a gift for you that I'll leave in the first pinned comment. You won't regret it. Living a happy life is deeply intertwined with a person's financial well-being. While financial struggles can weigh heavily on a person's mind, considering the benefits of self-care and small joys can help alleviate stress and promote mental well-being. When feasible, setting aside a portion of one's budget for indulgent activities, be it a favorite hobby or a delightful evening spent with family and friends, can prove incredibly rejuvenating, significantly bolstering resilience in dealing with life's twists and turns. To amplify this idea further, finding solace in shared experiences can exponentially enhance feelings of joy and belonging, creating lasting memories while fostering deeper connections. Whether opting for exciting outings, relaxing retreats, or adventure-fueled excursions, the communal experience transcends mere monetary value. Not only do such experiences make life more fulfilling, but they can also bolster mental and emotional resilience. For example, time invested in cherished moments spent alongside close companions is often considered time well spent, regardless of the financial means, uplifting an individual's perspective and reviving hope in turmoil-filled times. In another realm, allocating financial resources wisely and cautiously can often yield unforeseen benefits. The importance of expertly managed investment options and wisely chosen financial tools cannot be overstated. Diversification of one's portfolio, informed by comprehensive research or expert advice, may ensure that a well-rounded approach to financial management produces increased long-term returns, negating the impact of unforeseen risks. Meanwhile, tax-advantaged options, such as IRAs and 401(k)s, increase the total return on investment. Furthermore, combining low to high-risk investments leads to optimized results. A judicious allocation of assets, in tandem with diversified portfolios and well-educated investment choices, bodes well for substantial gains, accelerating long-term wealth generation. Taking full advantage of available tax regulations in diversified investment options significantly decreases financial stress, increasing confidence that assets will ultimately appreciate and help provide the sustenance needed for life goals and retirement. Allocating time to methodical research into potential options aids the construction of cohesive plans geared towards yielding financial success. Fostering disciplined finance decision-making results from calculated goal clarity, safeguarded monetary principles, and comprehensive fiscal education. By watching this video, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the most common money traps and learn how to steer clear of them. Whether you're trying to pay off debt, build wealth, or simply improve your financial stability, the insights and strategies shared in this video will provide you with the knowledge and confidence you need to make informed decisions about your money. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel for more expert advice and insights on personal finance. So, what are the top money traps to avoid in 2025? The first money trap to avoid is lifestyle inflation. This occurs when you increase your spending as your income rises, rather than saving or investing the additional funds. For instance, if you receive a 10% raise, you might be tempted to use that extra money to upgrade your car or move into a bigger house. But this can lead to a never-ending cycle of consumption, where you're constantly chasing the next big purchase or upgrade. For example, if you earn $100,000 and spend the same amount or even more, you will not save anything regardless of how high your income is. Another money trap to watch out for is the desire for instant gratification. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the idea that we need to have everything now. This mindset can lead to financial decisions that prioritize short-term pleasure over long-term gain. For instance, you might be tempted to use credit cards to finance purchases or take out a high-interest loan to fund a big purchase. Moreover, this addiction to instant gratification is fueled by the immense exposure we have to various advertisements on social media and television that constantly try to persuade us to buy the latest products. The trap of emotionally driven investing is another one to avoid. When the market is up, it's easy to get caught up in excitement and throw more money into stocks or other assets. But when the market is down, fear can take over and you might make rash decisions to sell your investments, which can result in significant financial losses. Additionally, many investors fall prey to the sunk cost fallacy, where they hold on to underperforming investments due to their emotional attachment rather than making a rational decision to cut their losses. Furthermore, the lack of financial literacy can lead to falling prey to financial scams or investing in unsound financial products. You may come across financial advisors who are only interested in making a profit from your ignorance, leading you to make ill-informed investment decisions that put your financial stability at risk. Moreover, financial products that promise unusually high returns often involve hidden fees or complex instruments that are not understood by many retail investors. For this reason, acquiring financial knowledge and being vigilant when dealing with financial professionals can save you a significant amount of money. Paralyzing fear or procrastination can be another obstacle to your financial stability. The fear of making wrong decisions, the lack of financial knowledge, or the sheer complexity of financial instruments can prevent you from taking any action towards securing your financial future. Nonetheless, staying in your comfort zone and not exploring your investment options can result in not only lost opportunities, but also lead to not having a secure financial future. Moreover, constant worrying about the future and lacking confidence can weigh heavily on your mental well-being and may also impact your relationships. The temptation to sell at the worst possible time is a scenario many investors find themselves in, succumbing to emotional decision-making that can ultimately lead to financial devastation. This type of investing can be particularly damaging, as seen during the stock market crash, where investors made hasty decisions to liquidate their shares, only to incur substantial losses. A well-crafted, long-term plan can serve as a safeguard against such financial pitfalls. This involves establishing clear objectives, such as saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building a retirement nest egg. By setting specific goals, individuals can avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions or short-term gains. Maintaining an emergency fund can cushion the blow when unexpected expenses arise, preventing individuals from accumulating debt. Regularly monitoring progress and making adjustments as one's financial situation evolves is also crucial. One approach to curb the urge to continually purchase material possessions is to opt for experiences over goods. Investing in activities and hobbies that bring satisfaction and joy can yield a higher level of contentment compared to simply accumulating goods. Prioritizing short-term sacrifices can ensure that long-term financial objectives take precedence over immediate temptations. This process of patience can ultimately lead to more substantial rewards in the long run. For instance, paying off debt may take precedence over embarking on a dream vacation, requiring discipline to forego immediate gratification for future financial security. Furthermore, adopting a mindset that emphasizes delayed gratification is vital. By recognizing the distinction between needs and wants, individuals can allocate their resources more effectively. For example, setting aside a fixed percentage of one's income each month can create a framework for building wealth over time. Implementing a 50/30/20 rule, where 50% of one's income goes toward necessities, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and investment, can provide a structured approach to managing one's finances. Moreover, cultivating patience and discipline can empower individuals to make more informed financial decisions, ultimately leading to a more stable financial future. Additionally, cultivating financial literacy is essential for making informed decisions. This can be achieved by educating oneself on various investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Understanding the benefits and risks associated with each investment can help individuals create a diversified portfolio, minimizing their exposure to market fluctuations. Furthermore, recognizing the impact of inflation on one's purchasing power can highlight the importance of investing in assets that have historically provided higher returns over the long term. By adopting an informed and disciplined approach to investing, individuals can navigate the complexities of the financial markets with greater confidence. Moreover, avoiding lifestyle inflation is critical for maintaining financial stability. As income increases, the tendency to inflate one's lifestyle can lead to overspending, undermining long-term financial goals. By prioritizing saving and investing, individuals can avoid the pitfalls of lifestyle inflation, ensuring that their wealth grows in tandem with their income. This can be achieved by allocating any increases in income towards savings and investments, rather than augmenting one's lifestyle. By adopting this approach, individuals can create a self-reinforcing cycle of wealth creation, where their savings and investments continue to grow over time. This method of delayed gratification through investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets can yield advantageous returns in the long run, considering the time your money has to grow, thus bridging the gap between current expenditure and future financial objectives. It's not just about the money you save, but about leveraging the power of compound interest, which turns your initial investment into a much larger sum over time, essentially propelling your financial aspirations forward. This sophisticated approach not only cultivates fiscal responsibility, but also garners a substantial return on investment, thereby securing a prosperous financial future. Studies have consistently demonstrated that this approach can be extremely effective, resulting in substantial wealth accumulation. For instance, a study by Fidelity Investments found that investors who initiated saving for retirement in their 20s amassed significantly more wealth than those who started later in life, largely due to the power of compound interest. Investors who started early had more time to accumulate returns on their returns, creating a substantial difference in their overall wealth, a disparity that often seems insurmountable to those who procrastinate. Furthermore, research by Harvard Business Review suggests that companies focused on long-term strategy and planning tend to outperform those prioritizing short-term gains, a principle that can be applied to individual financial planning as well. By focusing on sustainable financial growth, individuals can reap the rewards of fiscal discipline. Financial discipline can be practiced by applying the 50/30/20 rule, a straightforward framework that assists individuals in allocating their income effectively. This framework requires you to direct 50% of your income towards essential expenses, such as housing and utilities, 30% towards discretionary spending, including leisure activities or entertainment, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. By aligning your spending with your financial goals, you'll be better positioned to evade money traps that often hinder financial stability, traps that can be detrimental to your long-term financial objectives. While allocation percentages can be flexible, the underlying principle remains crucial, ensuring you're not overspending, while directly allocating funds for future stability and potential growth, effectively safeguarding your financial future. In managing your finances, prioritizing essential expenses holds greater significance than fulfilling discretionary desires, a principle that necessitates a paradigm shift in one's spending habits. This entails focusing on fundamental needs such as housing costs, healthcare expenses, or education, rather than indulging in hobbies or leisure activities, which often provide fleeting satisfaction but do little to advance your financial objectives. Once your essential needs are satisfied, allocating funds for personal gratification can be a viable option, allowing you to strike a balance between fiscal prudence and personal indulgence. Ultimately, cultivating financial discipline requires a deep understanding of your spending habits and financial goals, as well as a willingness to make sacrifices in the short term to secure a more prosperous financial future. By adopting a proactive approach to financial planning, you can alleviate financial stress, cultivate a sense of security, and create a brighter financial future. In conclusion, avoiding money traps requires a combination of knowledge, discipline, and long-term thinking. By understanding the common traps that people fall into and taking steps to avoid them, you can create a more stable financial future and achieve your goals. For more insights and advice on personal finance, be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.